NINGBO ZHONGLIAN Fastener Manufacturer is a professional fastener manufacturing and export enterprise in Ningbo, Zhejiang Province. It is about 30 kilometers away from Ningbo Port and 25 kilometers away from Ningbo International Airport. We totally covers an area of 7,500 square meters, and with the production capacity of 2,500 tons per month, including hot forging 1,000 tons, cold forging 1,500 tons, the fixed assets of 60 million yuan. The major products are carbon steel, alloy steel bolts, nuts washers, and thread rod, according to ISO, ANSI, AMSE, SAE, JIS, AS, BS, and EN. The structure fasteners, such as EN 14399, A325, A490, are our advantages products. In the respect of quality control, we strictly implement the quality system and the 6S management mode. Besides, we apply the advanced ERP system in the working. We are one of the earliest fastener company obtaining the EN 14399, EN 15048 approval in China. The products have been used on China's Oriental Pearl, Dubai's subway, Thailand's skyline, Indonesia's electric tower, Hong Kong's metro, Singapore subway, and major project, both at home and abroad. Our vision, committed to fast products for the world, all kinds of industry services, and become international fastener manufacturing enterprise.